Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Mazda 3 Hatchback. For 19 or 2020, they did a full refresh of the Mazda 3 and it looks absolutely phenomenal. I am a huge fan of this car now. I love driving the previous generation, and this is no exception. Polymetal gray metallic over red interior. It looks so good. Pretty much fully loaded. This is your premium package for a total price of $29,910. Excellent design ethos. It really looks phenomenal. You can also get a sedan if you so desire, but I loved the spec on this. Tons of room back here. Wow. Bose surround sound system, really nice soft touch materials throughout. Love where the screen is located. It's a pop-up. Well, it doesn't rise up, but it's raised above the dashboard. It's not set inside, but it's receded back. It's really nice. You control it all with your buttons and dials here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and go for a drive. Have it in sport mode. Really good amount of power. And this is not turbocharged at all. Nice amount of steering feel. Paddles work great. I do just love the way this car drives. It is unbelievable that under $30,000 a car can be this luxurious, this much fun to drive, and these things lease for next to nothing. You know, these are excellent cars and probably my favorite of the small sedan hatchback class. They are absolutely phenomenal cars. And you can get a manual still too, which I love. Driving around at near highway speeds, super comfortable, no complaints. Love the steering wheel feel, everything is nice leather. Nice. Good job, Mazda. It will not auto upshift for you. That's awesome. You can definitely tell Mazda is an enthusiast brand at heart. Really, really well done, Mazda. You can also shift down below here. To downshift, move the shifter up, upshift, move the shifter down. Doesn't make sense at first until you think about G-forces. So in race cars and stuff like that, when you're braking hard, you go up with the G-force. It's easier to work with the G-force than it is to go against it. Whereas when you're full throttle, you're pushed back, you push the shifter back. It goes with the G-forces of the car. Really, really smart idea when you come to think about it. And I always applaud manufacturers that choose to go with that shifting pattern. It's just the way this car drives, how dynamic the chassis is. I can't complain at all. Beautiful coast down here in Hingham, Massachusetts. Overall, this is a car I would buy. Honestly, with my own money, I put my money down on one of these. On that note, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.